Xiao Huo suddenly took out a pair of black stockings and gave them to the rich woman's best friend on the spot. She became furious, thinking Xiao Huo was mocking the wealthy lady, and immediately scolded him harshly. Unexpectedly, Xiao Huo showed a humble expression and said he was actually looking forward to it. Just when everyone thought the rich woman would refuse, she surprisingly agreed. However, her condition was that Xiao Huo must personally help her put them on. When the rich woman finally put on the black stockings, everyone present was amazed. At that moment, she felt a sense of pride she had never experienced before. She also realized that Xiao Huo had never treated her like a disabled person. After gaining her approval, Xiao Huo took her out shopping. The rich woman, who had never eaten street food before, experienced ordinary life for the first time. Feeling happy, she rewarded Xiao Huo with a Ferrari and even casually gave him a car, 500,000 as pocket money. Not understanding much about investing, Xiao Huo randomly used the money to buy a stock. Unexpectedly, it was a trash stock that hadn't risen in 5 years. Yet overnight, his 500,000 turned into 15 times more. After that, Xiao Huo discovered a pattern. The better he treated the rich woman, the better his luck seemed to become. So, Xiao Huo immediately came up with an even bolder idea.
Like the video and subscribe to the channel, please.